SolSuite offers a comprehensive solution for defining and deploying products. Its core includes a product information management system with a repository for storing product definitions and a development portal for managing product families. SolSuite RQO is a configure price quote application that automates sales from RFQ to quote to order. It ensures accurate product selection and configuration, reduces quote order errors, and speeds the sales process. Sales portals integrate RQO's CPQ features like user management, product selection and configuration, and RFQ-Quote-Order processing, ensuring e-commerce efforts use consistent processing and a single source of truth for product definition. In this video, we're going to overview one component of SolSuite, RQO. RQO is a complete CPQ system. It supports RFQ, quote, and order processing. It's headless, which means all functionality is available through APIs or endpoints. We have clients whose customers are using those APIs to get order status into their back-end systems and who are directly submitting RFQs into RQO. RQO is a secure login capability with MFA, and it also supports single sign-on. This is the admin set of screens, and it allows self-service administrative capabilities for editing users and performing other typical maintenance actions, managing all aspects and allowing tailoring of the RFQ to quote to order process. The process continues with quotes. Quotes can be added directly by your quoting specialist or obviously converted from RFQs. Quotes have similar characteristics, header information, the person who quote is for, as well as now more information about the quote. Distribution, again, can be added to. Items, again, use the PIM catalog and configurator capabilities, but now have additional characteristics to define price, discounts, and lead time, other characteristics about the individual items that are necessary for the quote. Personalization allows your quoting specialist to use canned opening statements, terms and conditions, closing statements, other components of what is typically contained in a formal quote, and attachments. Again, if there's design specifications or other documentation that should be attached to the quote, that can be added. Then there's an approval process. Once submitted, an automatic approval process runs through a number of triggers. Those triggers generate flags. Those flags initiate requests to individuals in your organizations, product managers or cost estimators, who then come into the RQO system and resolve those flags. Once everything is resolved, quotes can be approved and sent to the customer. Once they are sent to the customer, your distributors or customers can again log into the RQO system. They will only see quotes that are in sent to customer status, and they can convert those quotes into an order. Converting the quote to an order could automatically trigger the submittal process, sending that order to your ERP system for fulfillment. Or it could leave the order editable for your internal staff to augment it, continue working with the customer on items or changes to the order, again, finally submitting it to your ERP system for fulfillment. That concludes the overview of RQO. Thanks for watching this video. If you have further interest or questions about SolSuite or RQO, please visit our website, www.vistech.com, or give us a call, 860-251-8003. Thank you.